Caterpillars might seem like tiny, crawling eating machines, but there's way more to them than just munching on leaves all day. These little creatures are actually some of the most fascinating insects on the planet. They go through one of the most mind-blowing transformations in nature, turning from a soft squishy worm into a majestic butterfly or moth. But before they take flight, they live a secret life full of surprises. First things first, caterpillars are basically the ultimate food lovers. They hatch from tiny eggs, usually laid on the underside of leaves, and the first thing they do is eat their own eggshell. Why? Because it's packed with nutrients that give them the energy to start their real mission, eating everything in sight. A caterpillar's main job is to grow, and to do that, it needs to consume an incredible amount of food. Some species can eat up to 27,000 times their body weight before they become a pupa. Imagine a human eating thousands of pizzas in just a few weeks. That's the level of appetite we're talking about, but it's not all just about eating. Caterpillars have some amazing defense mechanisms. Some are masters of disguise, blending into leaves or looking like twigs. Others go for the extreme, developing bright colors to warn predators that they're toxic. Some species even have fake eye spots to make them look like tiny snakes, scaring off birds and other enemies. And if all else fails, some caterpillars can release a nasty-smelling chemical or even play dead. These little guys are way tougher than they look. Then comes the most mysterious part of a caterpillar's life, the transformation. After eating enough to grow several times its original size, the caterpillar finds a safe spot and starts its metamorphosis. Depending on the species, it either spins a cocoon or forms a chrysalis. Inside, something magical happens. The caterpillar's body completely breaks down into a goo-like substance, and from that, a butterfly or moth slowly takes shape. Scientists still don't fully understand how this process works, but it's one of nature's greatest wonders. Not all caterpillars become butterflies, though. Some grow up to be moths, which are just as important to the ecosystem. Moths might not get as much attention as their colorful cousins, but they play a huge role in pollination and are a vital food source for many other animals. So next time you see a caterpillar, don't just think of it as a leaf-eating machine. It's a future flyer, a survivor, and a tiny miracle of nature.